Hey guys, just wanted to show you how to get signed up for the Coursera account in class that we'll be doing. So I'll show you what to do right here. It's pretty straightforward. So the assignment is in the week 3 section of our Google Classroom. It's a Coursera setup and week 1 overview. So the instructions are pretty straightforward. I will walk you through them right now. So you're going to click on the college, just click on this link right here. And when we click on it in the top right, you will see a join for free. So you're going to click on that. I'm going to click log in because I already have an account, but you guys may actually have an account as well if you are in the medical professions seminar. So just log in with your Google account. Your school Google's fine. Then you are into the Understanding College and College Life. So enroll for free. And then this is the Understanding College and College Life course. So I like this course a lot. It's got a lot of great info. The week 1 stuff you're gonna kind of do on your own. The week 2 videos are great. But what I want you to do today is to just make sure you get signed up, get signed in, and then go to the week 1 and go to course overview. So there's some couple quick welcome videos and some reading. Just take a quick look at all this, and then if you can, go down and start watching the What's College Like, What Do Faculty Do, and How Do Colleges Work videos. All right, these are all great videos, guys. They're from people who are at Washington University or University of Washington. I think that's what it's called. But it's some great info, stuff that kind of refresh my memory on what it's like going to college. And the difference between that and high school. So take a look at that on your own time, get that all done, and that'll be kind of the extra work you can get going on. All right, let me know if you have any questions, as always, or Miss Andrews. It's pretty straightforward, though, and see you in class.